Hello there. Today I'm going to show a little bit of the interaction with the web interface of Neo4j, the sandbox. So we're going to create an example in HTML. The example is going to contain queries for both creation and, well, for search inside the graph database. Here is the HTML. You can see that it has slides, and inside the slides it has the queries. It is exposed via Python server, and it is exposed at localhost. So we hit play, and now we are going to play what is called a guide. It's for when you want to make tutorials or documentation inside Neo4j. So we have a query here that is for the creation of the graph. You can see that it creates persons, and also at some point it starts creating the relationship. So this guy, Bill Pax, he represents as lawyer a neutral organization. For example, Claudio, he works as a developer for a neutral organization. So we run the script, and now we have created the graph. So let's say we want to make some queries. I just closed the guide. Okay, so we have opened again, and we have the first query, which is to find a person that works at two enemy organizations. Alright, so we run it like this, we click it and we hit play, and we find that Robin Williams works at both Overactive and Globant. So it is a dangerous relationship. Should be avoided. Now, we have here a little bit of an alternative syntax. It's the same query, but now it is a little bit easier to read. And finally, we have a generalization. In this case, the generalization says that we don't actually care really much about the relationship the person has with the enterprises. In fact, it doesn't have to be an enterprise. It has to be something that the organization hates. So it can be a person, organization, or whatever. And what we want to find is anything that has a relationship with this hated entity. So we find that in this case, the new node is Gilead, who represents both McAfee and Overactive. Here we have Robin Williams. And then I played a little bit with Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Alright. So that's it. For the cleanup, I have also a script that's going to return no rows. And then when we run the query from before, it's again going to show no rows. So that's about it.